Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain coordinate geometry exercise number 7.3. This is from Telangana Maths textbook. Now in this, question number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are here 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and third one is 2, minus 4. These three are the vertices of a triangle. Use those vertices and you have to find out the area of the triangle. That is the question. Whenever that word problems are given, always we have to write down that given data. Here given, what are given? A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle. That only is given. First you have to write down. Next what you have to find out? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC equal to of modulus of x into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is the formula. Now here represent x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now substitute these values in this formula. Now that equal to half modulus of where x1 equal to 2, x1 into y2 minus y3 where y2 equal to 0 minus y3 equal to minus 4 plus x2 equal to how much? Minus 1. So keep in bracket x2 into y3 minus y1 where y3 equal to minus 4 where y1 equal to 3. So y3 minus y1 plus x3 equal to, what is the x3 value? 2. 2 into y1 minus y2 where y1 equal to 3 minus y2 equal to 0. These are the values. Now simplify. Half modulus of 2 into 0 minus into minus plus 4. 0 plus 4 plus into minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 7 plus 2 into 3. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. 2 into 3. Now here half into half modulus of 2 into 4. 2 4 ja 8. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. So 2 4 ja 8 minus into minus plus 1 7 ja 7 plus 2 3 ja 6. That equal to half modulus of 8 plus 7 equal to 15. 15 plus 6 equal to 21. That means 21 by 2. That equal to 2 in this how many times? 10 2 ja 20. Balance is 1 by 2. 10 1 by 2 and area the units are square units. Always you have to mention the units. That equal to square units. Last step you have to write down always. Therefore area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to 10.5 square units. This is the answer. Next second bit in this. Here minus 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5 and 5 2. Use these three vertices. We have to find out the area of the triangle. Write down ABC are the vertices of a triangle and area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus of x into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is a formula. Again here you have to represent x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now simply substitute the values in this formula. So that equal to half modulus of where x1 equal to minus 5. Keep in the bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 where y2 equal to minus 5 and y3 equal to 2. So y2 minus y3 plus x2 equal to 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 equal to 2 minus where y1 equal to minus 1. So keep in bracket. Now plus x3 equal to x3 means 5 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus of minus 5. Now simplify. Half modulus of minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2, that equal to minus 7 plus 3 into 2, minus into minus is plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1, minus into minus equal to plus 5. That equal to half modulus of minus into minus plus 5 7 ja 35 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 equal to plus 4. Now half modulus of 35 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus 5 4 ja 20. That equal to half. Now 35 plus 20 equal to 55. 55 plus 9 equal to 64. That equal to 64 by 2. That equal to 32 square units. Therefore, area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to 32 square units. This is the answer. Next bit in this problem, again 3 vertices. These 3 are the vertices of a triangle. Again you have to find out the area of the triangle. Write down given A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, and area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is the formula. Now substitute the values. Half modulus where x1 equal to 0 into y2 equal to 0, y2 minus y3 0 minus 2 plus x2 means 3 into y3 minus y3 equal to 2, y3 minus y1 2 minus 0 plus x3 means 0 into y1 minus y2, that equal to 0 minus 0 modulus. Now here half modulus of 0 into anything. Here first write down 0 into 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 equal to 2 plus 0 into 0 minus 0 is 0. Now here half into 0 into anything equal to 0. So 0 plus 3 2 just 6 plus 0 into 0 equal to 0. Now addition here 6 divided by 2. Then 2 in this how many times? 3 times. So what is the answer? 3 square units. Therefore, area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to 3 square units. This is the answer. Next question in this, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. See, these 3 are the points, given points. So given A, B and C, these 3 points are collinear points. Then we have to find out the value of k. So here, what are collinear points? Collinear points means when the area of the triangle is 0, then those 3 points we call it as collinear points. So here in this, out of the coordinates, 6 coordinates, in this one value is variable value, that value is k. Here y3 value is k, variable value is given, this value you have to find out. How can you find out? By using area of the triangle. First, whenever these 3 points are collinear means therefore area of the triangle equal to 0. Area of the triangle equal to 0 is 0. But area of the triangle equal to formula, area of the triangle equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle formula. See here, these 3 points are collinear points, means the entire area of the triangle equal to 0. Now you have to equate, substitute the values. Half x1 equal to how much? Here 7 into y2 equal to 1 minus y3 equal to k plus where x2 equal to 5 into y3 equal to k minus y1 equal to minus 2. So keep in the bracket plus x3 equal to 3 into y1 minus y2 where minus 2 minus 1. This entire value equal to 0. You have to equate this value equal to 0. Why? Because here condition is given these 3 points are collinear points. So area of the triangle equal to 0. Now here half, it implies half 7 into 1 minus k. Now here first write down 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into, simplify, k minus into minus plus 2. Next plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1, that equal to minus 3 equal to 0. Now half modular 7 into 1 minus k, 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 2 ja 10 plus into minus minus 3 3 ja 9, that equal to 0. Implies half modulus. Now all variable values you have to simplify as well as all constants also have to simplify. 7 is a constant value. Next is 7 plus 10, that equal to how much? 17. 17 minus 9. Otherwise 10 minus 9 equal to 1. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. That is easy. Minus 7 plus 5. Minus 7k plus 5k. So minus 2k. That equal to 0. Now here cross multiplication, 8 minus 2k by 2 equal to 0. Now here cross multiplication, 0 by anything, 0 by 1 you can write, 0 by anything is also equal to 0. So here 8 minus 2k equal to 0. 2 into 0 equal to 0. So 8 equal to 2k, where k equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 in this how many times goes? 4 times. Therefore k equal to how much? 4. K equal to 4. This is the answer. Next bit in the second one. Here same. Here 3 points are given. Those 3 points are collinear points. You have to find out the value of k. See, in these coordinates, one value is a k value, unknown value is given. That unknown value we have to find out. That unknown value is k. That k value we have to find out. When these 3 points are collinear, so when the area of the triangle equal to 0, then you can say that those 3 points are collinear points. Already mentioned the given points are collinear. First write down given A, B and C are collinear points. Therefore, area of a triangle equal to 0. Whenever these 3 points are collinear means the condition is area of the triangle is 0. But what is the formula? But area of the triangle equal to what is the formula? Half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now substitute the values in this formula and equate 0. So half now implies half modulus of where x1 equal to 8 into where y2 equal to minus 4 minus y3 equal to minus of minus 5. Y3 value already is given minus, so keep in bracket minus 5 plus x2 equal, where x2 equal to k into y3 minus y1, where y3 equal to minus 5 minus y1 equal to 1, plus x3 equal, where x3 equal how much? 2 into y1 minus y2, where y1 equal to 1 minus y2 equal to minus 4. That equal to 0. Now, half modulus 8 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 equal to minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 4. That equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, that implies half modulus 8 into minus 4 plus 5 equal to 1 plus 1. Here plus into minus minus 6 into k, 6k plus 2 into 5. That equal to 0. Now, half modulus 8 1 ja 8 minus 6k plus 2 5 ja 10 equal to 0. Now, half into 8 plus 10 equal to 18 minus 6k equal to 0. Now, cross multiplication you can do. 2 into 0 equal to 0. Here 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. You can assume. Then directly cross multiply. Then 18 minus 6k equal to 0. Now, here directly you can transfer that 6k to the opposite side. It will become positive, where k equal to 18 by 6. Now 6 goes in 18 3 times. Therefore, where k equal how much? 3. This is the answer. Now, third bit in this question, here given 3 points are k, k, 2, 3 and 4, minus 1. So, write down the given data. A, B and C are collinear. That means these 3 points are collinear. That means area of the triangle equal to 0. But area of the triangle equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Write down the formula. Now equate here. Substitute the values in this formula. Half into, where x1 equal how much here? K into y2 minus y3. y2 equal to 3 minus y3 equal to minus of minus 1 plus x2 equal, where x2 equal to 2 into y3 minus y1, where y3 equal to minus 1 and y1 equal to k, so minus k, plus x3 equal to 4 into y1 minus y2, where y1 equal to k minus y2 equal to 3 equal to 0. Now, it implies half modulus of k into, simplify this one, 3 after minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4 into k minus 3 equal to 0. Now simplify this one. Half modulus k into 3, that means 3k plus k into 1. Sorry, directly you can write 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Then directly you can write 4k. Or k into 3k plus 1k. Like that also you can write 4k plus into minus. Minus 2 1 is 2. Plus into minus. Minus 2 into k 2k plus 4 into k 4k minus 4 3 is 12 equal to 0. Now, half into, here all variable terms you have to consider. First simplify that one. 4k minus 2k, that equal to plus 2k. 2k plus 4k equal to 6k. Next, minus 2 minus 12, that equal to minus 14 equal to 0. Now again, 0 is nothing but 0 by 1 you can assume. And now cross multiplication here. 2 into 0 equal to 0. Again 6k minus 14 into 1 equal to same terms you will get. That means 6k minus 14 equal to 0. Now 6k equal to plus 14 where k equal to 14 by 6. In both the terms 2 is divisible. 2 in these 7 times, in these 3 times. That equal to 7 by 3 value. Therefore k equal to 7 by 3. This is the answer. In this exercise, third one, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, plus 1 and 0, 3. Then find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. That is the question. That means what you have to find out? Area of the triangle. The triangle also formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle ABC. That means given triangle ABC. This is the given triangle ABC whose vertices are. That means triangle vertices are given. ABC vertices are given here. A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Now here you have to find out the area of the triangle that is formed by the midpoints of the triangle ABC. The triangle formed by the midpoints of the triangle ABC. Here D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA. Now join these 3 sides, then it will become the triangle. So this triangle area we have to find out first. Later, what is the ratio of the area of this triangle to the triangle ABC? That is the question. Now write down given. Given ABC are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Let D, E, F be the midpoints of the sides AB bar, BC bar and AC bar. Now write down. Now what you have to find out first? Midpoints of these 3 we have to find out. So what is that midpoint formula? Midpoint x comma y, that equal to what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Now midpoint D or directly midpoint D you can write. That equal to. So ABC are here, midpoint of D is the midpoint of AB. Just you have to consider A and B values. Now x1 plus x2 means 0 plus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2, that is minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That equal to 2 by 2 comma 0 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So 0 by 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1 comma 0 by anything equal to 0. So 1 comma 0. So midpoint of D equal to 1 comma 0. Midpoint D equal to 1 comma 0. Next midpoint of E. Midpoint E equal to E, what is that? But E is a midpoint of B and C point. So B and C just you have to consider. Now x1, y1, x2, y2. So add 2 plus 0 by 2 comma y1 plus y2, that is 1 plus 3 by 2. Here also you can represent 0 comma 3 and this value B value is 2 comma 1. And here 0 comma minus 1, x1 x2 like this. Now here 2 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 equal to 4 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 4 by 2 equal to 2. So this value equal how much? 1 comma 2. Next midpoint of here. Midpoint F equal to, F means F is a midpoint of A and C vertices. Now add x1, y1, x2, y2. So 0 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by that equal to 0 by 2 comma 2 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3 equal to plus 2, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. 0 by anything equal to 0 comma 1. So midpoint F value is 0 comma 1 and E value is 1 comma 2. These three are the midpoints. DEF are the midpoints. Now we have to find out area of DEF, triangle DEF, as well as area of the triangle ABC. Next, area of the triangle equal to half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. D value equal to how much we got here? 1 comma 0. Now substitute the values in this formula, half into x1. So here these values are, just you have to represent x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This also x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now here x1 equal to how much? 0 into y2 minus y3. So y2 equal to 1 minus y3 equal to 3. Here area of the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. First I am calculating area of the triangle ABC equal to half into 0 into 1 minus 3 plus x2 into where x2 equal to 2 into y3 minus y1 where y3 equal to 3 minus y1 equal to minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus x3 equal to, that means 0 into y1 minus y2. Now that equal to half into 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 that equal to minus 2. That equal to half into 0 into anything equal to 0 plus 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8 plus 0 into anything is also 0. That equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4 square units. 4 square units. Now you have to find out the area of the triangle DEF. Now area of the triangle DEF equal to half modulus of, here x1 equal to how much? 1 into, now these DEF, these 3 points we have to consider, x1 into y2 minus y3 where y2 equal to 2 minus y3 equal to 1 plus x2 equal to 1 into x2 y3 minus y1 equal to 1 minus y1 equal to 0 plus x3 equal to 0 into y1 minus y2 that equal to 0 minus 2. Now here half into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 2 that equal to half into 1 1 ja 1 plus 1 1 ja 1 plus 0 into anything equal to 0. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 by 2 that equal to 1. That equal to 1 square unit. Therefore, ratio of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF, that equal to area of triangle ABC equal how much? 4 is to area of triangle DEF equal how much? 1. So 4 is to 1. Here what we have to find? The first one, find the area of the triangle formed by the midpoint joining the midpoints of the triangle ABC, as well as find the ratio of this triangle to the area of the triangle ABC. So area of the triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF equal to 4 is to 1. This is the answer. This question has already been given in March 16. AP is very important sum. Fourth question in this exercise, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. These 4 are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have to find out the area of the quadrilateral equal to how much. Here, area of the quadrilateral directly we cannot find out. So first draw that figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this directly we can't find out. So one thing we can do, suppose if you join these AC, the A and C points, then AC is nothing but the diagonal. Then this quadrilateral is divided into 2 parts, and each part we can call it as the triangle. So area of this quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Like that we can find out. So first given here, what are given? ABC and D are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle in this ACD. The triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. So area of the triangle equal to, what's the formula? Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So area of the triangle equal to, formula first we have to write down. So half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now one by one area have to find out. Area of the triangle ABC equal to area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus ABC. These 3 points we have to consider. Now represent here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now here half into, where x1 equal to how much? -4 into y2 minus y3, where y2 equal to -5 minus y3 equal to -2. So minus of -2 plus x2 equal, where x2 equal how much? -3. So keep in bracket into y3 minus y1, where y3 equal to -2 and y1 equal to minus of -2 plus x3 equal to how much? 3 into y1 minus y2, where y1 equal to -2 minus y2 equal to -5. Let's simplify here. Half modulus -4 into -5, minus into minus plus 2, plus into minus -3 into -2, minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 into -2, minus into minus equal to +5. Now half into -4 into -5 plus 2 equal to -3 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. That equal to half into minus plus 4 3 is 12 minus 3 into 0 0 plus 3 3 is 9. That equal to 12 plus 9 equal to 21 by 2. That equal to 21 by 2. That area of the triangle is 21 by 2 square units. Area of triangle ACD. So area of the triangle ACD equal to half modulus of ACD. Now consider here x1 y1 and these values are x2 y2 and these values are x3 y3. Now substitute the values in the formula. Half x1 into x1 means minus 4 into y2 minus y3. So minus 2 minus 3 plus x2 into where x2 equal to 3 into y3 minus y1. That means 3 minus of minus 2 plus where x3 equal where x3 means 2 into y1 minus y2 where y1 is minus 2 minus of minus 2. Now that equal to half modulus minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 into here minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. Now simplify half into minus plus 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 5 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 both will be cancelled directly 0 2 into 0 0. That equal to half into 20 plus 15 equal to 35. This value equal to 35 by 2 square units. Now therefore area of the triangle area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Now you add both values. Area of the triangle ABC equal to 21 by 2 plus area of the triangle ACD equal to 35 by 2. Now find out the LCM. LCM is 21 plus 35. That equal to 56 by 2. 2 in these 28 times. So 28 square units is the answer. Therefore area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to 28 square units. This is the answer. The last question in this exercise, find the area of the triangle formed by the points 8 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma minus 7 and 5 comma 1 by using Heron's formula. So here also you have to find out the area of the triangle only, but by using Heron's formula. Till 4th problem 1 to 4 problem we have using that area of the triangle equal to half modulus of that formula we use, but here we have to use that Heron's formula and find out that area of the triangle. So Heron's formula, area of the triangle, what is that Heron's formula? Heron's formula, that is area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. So what is S and what is A? Where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. These three A plus B plus C, these three are small ABCD. What is that? Where this A, B, C are. Here AB distance is C and BC distance is A and AC distance is B. Whatever the letter is not there, that we have to represent here. AB is there, so C you have to represent. BC distance is A and AC distance B you have to represent. That means small ABC are the distance of AB, distance of BC as well as distance of AC. So what we have to find out first? Distance by using distance formula, distance of AB, BC as well as CA. So distance formula equal to by using distance formula. What is that distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, distance of AB or AB bar, that means AB distance equal to square root of x2 minus x1, where A and B, here you have to consider x1, y1, x2, y2. Where x2 minus x1, where x2 equal how much? Minus 2, minus x1 is minus 8 whole square plus y2 equal to minus 7 minus y1 equal to minus 5. So, minus of minus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 2 minus 8 equal to minus 10 whole square plus of minus 7 minus into minus is plus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of 10 square equal to 100 plus minus 5 plus 7 equal to minus 2 whole square. That equal to square root of 100 plus 4 equal to square root of 104. This is the distance of AB. Next, distance of BC. That equals square root of B and C. I have to consider now x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 equal to minus 7 minus y1 is 1. So minus 1 whole square. That equal to square root of 5 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus of minus 8 whole square. That equal to square root of 7 square plus 8 square. Here plus into minus, here plus, here minus 8 whole square, minus into minus plus. So this can be considered as 8 square. That equal to square root of 49 plus 64. 8 8 is 64. That equal how much? 60 plus 40, that is 100, 109, 130. Again with the same procedure you have to write down 130. Make it as 2 numbers as one group. So 1 1 is 1. Again 0. Again double this one. 13 you have to consider. Double this number 2. 2 after whatever the number you are keeping also, that is not divisible. So here 0 you keep. 10 2 is 20. Now here take 2 zeros. Instead of 2 zeros you have to make it as point. Here whatever the number you are keeping here, suppose 206 into 6. 6 is 36 and 12. Yes, 6 times is divisible. 206 into 6. That equal to 1236. Now subtract here. 100 minus 36 equal to 64. Remaining everything is okay. Again take 2 zeros. Again double this one. 10.6 double is, that equal to 212. Point after one digit also you can leave it. This value equal to nearly approximately 10.6 or 67. Next, distance of AC equal to square root of A and C. X2 minus X1 that equal to 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 where y2 equal to 1 minus of minus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 3 whole square plus of 1 minus into minus is plus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of 3 square is 9 plus 6 square equal to 36. That equal to square root of 45. This value equal to, how can you calculate? Nearly 6 is 45. 6 is 36. Again balance is 9. Double this number 12. Here mark point here zeros, 2 zeros you keep. 12 after. What are the number you are keeping? Suppose 126, 6, 36, 3, 15, 7. No. 127, 7, 49, 14, 18, 7 plus 1, 8. That means here 7 times 6, 7, 8, 89, 11. Like this. You can calculate that equal to 6.7 square. Now here, now we know that 3 values we know. Now here, area of the triangle. Heron's formula, or directly you can write Heron's formula. That equal to square root of S into S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C, where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, where small a is nothing but BC, or directly you can write here AB plus BC plus CA distance divided by 2, where small a, B, C, these 3 are the distances of these 3 sides. So directly you can substitute the values here. 10.19 plus 10.63 plus 6.7 divided by 2. Now here add the values here. Unit digits 3, 3 plus 9, 12. 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 keep in mind. Point is there, point you keep. 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 7. Again 1 plus 1, 2. 27.52 divided by 2. Now 2 in this how many times? 1 2 ja, 3 2 ja, 6. 1 is a balance. 1 5 15. That means 7 2 ja 14. And 1 is a balance. 1 2 12. Again 2 6 ja 12. That value equal how much? 13.76. Now this value how to use and find out that area. Now area of the triangle equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So where S equal to, substitute the values, 13.76 into where S minus A 13.76 minus AC distance is A. This is A, and here B, BC, B value, sorry, this is B, BC distance is A and AB distance is C. So S minus A 13.76 minus 10.63 into S minus B, that means 13.76 minus B value where B is 6.7 into S minus C 13.76 minus where C equal to 10.19. Just all values you have to substitute in this formula. That equal to square root of 13.76 into, subtract this one, unit digits, 6 minus 3, 3, 7 minus 6, 1 point, 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again Next one here. Second, units place, anything not there, directly you keep. Next, 7 minus 7, 0. Point is there, point you keep. 13 minus 6 equal to 7. Now, again here, 13.76 minus 1, 6 minus 9 equal to, that means is not possible. 16 minus 9, 7. So, in this one already given, 6 minus 1, that equal to 5. Point here. 13 minus 10 equal to how much? 3. So, that value equal, these all values you have to multiply and find out the square root. If you multiply these all values, you will get 1085.5 square units. Now, if you find out the square root, then 1085.5. Now, two digits you have to make it as one group. Now, 3 3 is 9. 1 is a balance. Next, 185. Double this number 6. Here, whatever the number you are keeping, same number. Here also you have to write down. Suppose 63 3 is 9. Again, 6 3 is 18 is not possible. So, 62 2 is that equal to 2 2 is 4. That 6 2 is 12. Now, 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 2 6. Next, here point is a, you also mark it point and 5 consider. Next, 32, double this number 64. Here, whatever the number you are keeping here also, same number here also you have to write down. But whenever you are keeping here, 1 if you keep also 641, but it is not possible. So, take 2 zeros, instead of that you have to write 1 0. So, here 320 double the number 640, and next whatever the number here you are keeping, just here imagine 6000 above, 6 5 ja 30, no 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, maybe 7 times or 8 times, 6407, 49, 28 2, 42, 44, no. Suppose if you write 9 nines, 9 9 ja 81, 9 4 ja 36, 3, 54 plus 3, 57. So, 9 times is possible. Here 9, here also 9. So, how much? Point after 2 digits is enough. That value equal to 32.09 square units. Therefore, area of the triangle equal to 32.09 square units. This is the final answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all once again. Thank you.